how to install MT4 or MT5 software directly on your Forex VPS. So let's quickly understand that in this video, right? We'll get straight to the point. It's very simple to actually install MT4 or MT5 in your Forex VPS. And basically it's simply as simple as a drag and a drop. So here you can see on your on my screen right now, on the left here, what you can see, the blue background is basically my actual laptop, which is my actual screen. And here on the right hand side where you can see this IP address, this is my base. This is basically my Forex VPS, right? And here I've installed in my VPS, my MT4 is installed. The reason I use VPS is specifically because I am a trader who uses a lot of currency strength and weakness. So I have my own indicator, and I install the currency strength meter in my VPS so that whenever I have these signals, so you can see these signals which coming up whenever there's a currency which is getting strong or weak, I get a push notification directly on my mobile, right? Now, if you are looking at installing MT4 and MT5, is very simple. On your local screen, when I say local screen, which means your actual laptop or your actual desktop screen, just go to the Forex broker whose MT4 or MT5 you are using. Just for example, here I have downloaded this MT4 setup which belongs to CMC Markets, which is a broker, right? So you can use any. So let's say if you're using XNES or FXCM, depend whichever broker you're using, just download the MT4 or MT5 setup. All you have to do is copy it, right? So you can simply copy it from your local desktop right here, and you have to paste it onto your VPS. So this is my VPS screen. Let me just delete what I have already pasted. So I've already copied it from my screen. This is my VPS. I just right click and I paste, right? After I paste, all I have to do is do a regular installation. Okay, that's all I'm doing. I just have to do a regular installation, just like how you install the software on your local desktop or your laptop screen. The same way you will do it on your VPS screen, right? You will just double click on the setup, you will go ahead with the installation, and then you will log into your respective Forex broking account based on whatever details the Forex broker has given you, right? And once that is done, you will simply open your MT4 on your VPS. Here you can see this is my VPS screen, which it says remote desktop connection, and that's about it. You will install it. Now, there is one very important thing that you guys need to remember is that please understand that in my previous VPS video, I got a lot of emails and comments stating that in terms of there are some forex providers who give you cheap VPS service, like you have VPS providers who are giving you $5 a month, $3 a month. Guys, trust me, I have used every VPS on earth, to be honest with you. But the best VPS service provider I have used for the last 3 years, I've given the link in the description below. Use it. Don't waste your time on these cheap ones which give you $3, $5, $7 a month. I don't want to take names of those companies because I'm not against anybody. But the reason why you're buying a VPS is because you want to run an expert advisor, or maybe you want to run an indicator which is going to give you, signals, right? The main purpose I'm using it is because I want my indicator to send push notifications to my mobile phone. But most of these cheap service providers, uh, you know they will either have bad customer service issues, or you may have uptime issues. The reason why you're buying a good Forex VPS is because you want 100% uptime, right? That is the whole purpose, right? Otherwise, why would you even buy a VPS? You might as well use your local laptop or your local internet connection. It's just that we don't want disconnections, and you don't want to keep your laptop or desktop running 24 by 7. That's the reason why you are looking at a VPS service, right? So if you're looking for a VPS service, the link is given in the description. But as far as installing MT4 and MT5 is concerned, it is literally that simple, right? Here you can see I have two screens. Left hand side, the blue screen is my screen, which is my actual laptop. On the left hand side, on the right hand side here, this is my VPS. I'm just simply dragging and dropping. It is simply a virtual private server. So it's as good as a laptop or a desktop that you regularly use. Now here, if I have to show you, I can simply, uh, you know, let's say this is a setup. This is an MT4 that I already have. I just double click and I go ahead with a regular installation. I can click next, 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 finish your process. And once that is done, whatever is your expert advisor that you have, you simply go here, you open a chart. It's just it's just a basic thing that we do, and you just go here and you install the expert advisor or indicator that you have. In my case, I have an indicator. Maybe you may have an expert advisor, maybe you have an indicator. It doesn't really matter, right? So I got this question about how do you install it. I just wanted to make this quick video to tell you that basically it's nothing. It's as simple as copy paste. So this is just for an MT4, but this is how it works for anything. Like, even if you have to, let's say if you have some indicator which is there on your desktop, right? Let's say I have this indicator here. I can simply click. I can't use a drag drop. I'm sorry. I have to simply copy. So this is an indicator, right? So let's say similarly you have an expert advisor or an indicator, and I paste, right? And it's on my VPS desktop. Then from here, I can simply copy it. I can go to my file, open data folder. Now, mind you, I'm doing this on my VPS, right? But it is simple copy paste. You simply follow the process of copy pasting the indicator or expert advisor, and that's about it. It's that simple. It is as good as drag and drop. So whether it's your MT4, MT5 setup file, whether it's an indicator, expert advisor, or any software for that matter, you simply have to right click, copy, and just click on your VPS screen and right click and paste. That's it, and you're done, right? It's that simple. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions regarding VPS, just mention it in the comment section. I will try answering it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.